Hey guys, if you like this content, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys like the video and subscribed to my channel. It helps make these videos worth it going forward. Hey guys, Altcoin Sherpa here with a daily crypto coin analysis. Today I'm going to be reviewing XRP. Ripple had a lot of FUD around it in terms of the SEC potentially going after it. Obviously, this is reflected on the chart, and price dumped very strongly. And for a while there, I was thinking that XRP was under accumulation mode given the high amount of buy volume, along with price not moving very much. That usually is an indication of accumulation. However, price did dump very hard. And here are my levels. These are the weekly levels right here at 15 cents or 14 cents. And again, later on at 29 cents. Price also found a floor right here, which is where price is currently at, around 23 cents. So from a technical analysis standpoint, price is still at this weekly level. This was the support level around all throughout September and November, and price is currently still just ranging here. I don't expect price to really make huge moves in the coming days. I think that this type of price action is very difficult to trade from a scalping perspective. If you are buying here, you are basically buying with the hope that this support level is holding, that there is no more FUD in the meantime, and that price is eventually going to find the bottom right here in the short term. And what you want to see on low time frame charts is you'll want to see some buying, and this is a good encouraging sign right here, high buy volume, and you want to see a lot more buy volume, which is what you're kind of seeing right now. This is usually a sign of a bottom forming, and in general, I think that the bottom could be in, the short-term bottom could be in for XRP. There are a lot of inefficiencies to fill higher, meaning this big move right here eventually will want to be filled out from a technical analysis standpoint, meaning that you'll want to see generally price grind up like this, and it'll hit this resistance area here. Supply zone, resistance, whatever you want to call it, and then usually continue to grind up, and it will seek higher liquidity in these areas up here. So generally speaking, and it might not make it all the way up here. There are some other levels that are lower, but generally speaking, you'll want to see the price usually likes to fill out these types of areas. So it wouldn't surprise me at all to see price grind up through up to possibly 50 cents. But again, there is a lot of FUD around this coin, so I personally am not going to trade it. It generally has great liquidity and great volatility, as evidence. It was a great thing to trade back a month ago, but as for right now, it is it's just a very dangerous coin in my opinion. So personally, I'm staying away from it. It wouldn't surprise me at all to see this grind up, but again, it's very hard to say that with XRP. It's a coin that's very fragile right now in terms of news. If there is more bad news, then I see this next area of 15 cents as being like the next area of interest personally. There are some smaller support areas, such as 17 cents, which was the swing low right here. But again, I'm not sure if that area is going to hold again if it gets tapped in a short amount of time, because those orders already had a good first reaction on December 28th, and if it gets tested frequently, then that level is going to fall through. So as I said before, I personally think the short-term bottom could be in for XRP. There are some areas of interest higher. The 29 cent area is going to be first up for resistance. 38 cents will be after that, and then obviously you have 45 cents and 50 cents, which is a psychological number. Those are 2 areas or 3 areas that I am eyeing if price does find the short-term bottom. I personally am not sure if XRP is ever really going to go as high as it could have been before this FUD. Generally speaking, it's a coin kind of like Dogecoin where it has these massive runs and then it just goes right all the way back down. It very well still could have that because like Dogecoin, I mean, Dogecoin is a meme coin that still pumps very, very strongly. And it just shows that in crypto, you don't necessarily need great fundamentals in order to pump. And XRP could become one of those coins going forward. It could just be a coin where the fundamentals really just don't matter. It just is pumping off name alone. And that's that. I still believe that XRP will move in the future. I just don't think it's going to move as strongly as it would have otherwise, before all this FUD. Normally, you would have seen these big wicks and then it goes all the way back down. And that's generally what XRP has done in the past. You can kind of see, again, these long wicks and then fairly quick reversals overall. And XRP might just go back to doing that. I don't know if we'll see any multi-week pumps kind of like we saw back in December 2017, greatest alt season of all time, where it went up to, what, $3? That's incredible. But, for now, I wouldn't be surprised to see a short-term bottom form for XRP and then price to grind up. But I definitely, if you are trading this coin, I would definitely watch out for this 20-cent area level, just because I think that this area is fragile, and it wouldn't surprise me at all to see this go down. So in general, I personally think that the short-term XRP bottom is in and that price is going to grind up a little higher. However, that said, it's a fragile coin, and there are some areas, the support area right here around 22 cents, 21 cents, that could definitely fall through if there is more bad news, or if just the market goes bad. If Bitcoin starts to sell off and goes down to like the 20Ks, like the high 20Ks, then this is definitely going to fall through, in my opinion. I still think that the alt market is very correlated with BTC in terms of the USD pairs. So yeah, definitely be careful of that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.